Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to resize any template in Canva, super easily and in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Canva template you want to resize. On the top left, you'll see a button called Resize. Go ahead and click it. Note, this feature works with Canva Pro, so make sure you're logged in. Go to Custom Size. Now you can choose from Canva's preset sizes, or you can type in your own custom width and height. You'll notice two options at the bottom. Resize changes the size of your current design. Copy and resize creates a duplicate at the new size while keeping your original safe. After resizing, some elements might shift slightly. Just drag, stretch, or reposition anything that needs fixing. This part takes just a few seconds. Once everything looks perfect, click Share Download, choose your format, and save your resized design. And that's it. That's how you resize templates in Canva like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what tutorial you want next.